welcome to Rad Racer 1234, and today we are in the snow part rain, and we are going to get the 22 5.0. Hi. We are back from the hobby shop now, and we have got the 22 SR 5.0, and we've already took off the wrapping and cut it open to make it easy. Let's get it open just like a mystery box. Okay, we've got bag E, which is the front parts. Right here we've got the chassis. Right here we've got C1, which are the shocks. We've got bag B right here, which are the turnbuckles. Right here, we just got a bag with no name on it. It is the tuning parts. We have bag D right here, which are the plastics. And then we got F right here. These are the transmission parts. We've got the body. It looks a little bit skinnier than the old one. And in the front it has more points where it turns. And in the back, it looks like this piece goes more in than before. Let's get that out of here. And out of the last couple of parts we have got bag G. These are the rear parts, I think. Yep. We've got the wing. It's going to go right back here. Right here we have H1 wheels. Oh, we got another bag. Bag A, Diffs. Ooh, I wonder what the last one is. Whoa, that's huge. The manual, and it says 22 DC 5.0. Jeez, it's huge. Look at this bag. This bag's huge. So see you guys when we're building. Okay guys, I woke up this morning and he said he's been working on it for all night, but he was just working on it for a while. So this is the diff for what car?
This would be a diff. Here, you can show better. This would be like a regular DC car diff. It's going to be like that. This is the diff for the stock racer. It's quite a bit lighter. Can you feel the difference?
Yeah, this one's like a pound. It feels like less than a pound.
I don't know.
Little less than a pound. This one feels like half a pound.
You want to weigh it? Go get the scale. It's over there.
The small one?
Yeah, the little one. Alright, put this over here like that. Alright. So, how much would a regular diff weigh? Put it on there. Stand it up so it won't, there you go. So how much does it weigh? About
32.
About 32 grams. All right, take that one off and put the light one on there. So
18.
18. Can you count that high?
Yeah.
32 to 18. What's the difference?
32 to 18 would be
about 14 grams. So it's a little more than half, or it weighs, I think it's probably around 40%. Okay.
Why isn't there one for the bottom?
Because it's just to keep people from putting stuff on the scale.
Okay.
Alright.
So he's also finished the turnbuckles.
Here, you control it. I'm just here to help.
These turnbuckles have new ends on it because
they put like a curved end on it. Here, can you see it better if it's on the white? Just 2 of them are curved now.
And on sale we got some titanium turnbuckles.
Yeah. Okay.
And the next thing we are going to be working on is bag C, which is the shocks. And we have also been doing the, what is it called? Liquid mask on the new car, and also my little car. Gonna get that done soon. Almost put it down the wrong way. So is that basically all?
Yep. We'll build the shocks next.
Right there. See you guys when we start building C1. Alright, we are done with the shocks. And we bled them out using that tool. And if you want to see that tool and how it works, go and check out my other video. There's a video about it. And while you're at it, subscribe and hit that bell. Ding! And hit that thumbs up. And we have a tip and the new things to the shocks.
So they put plastic shock caps on it. So they'll probably lower a little bit of weight from the top of the car. And they put captured shock retainers, that way they won't fall off if you get in a bad wreck. Shock shafts are just a little bit smaller, and they put screw-on pistons inside there. I'd say our tip would be, we always grind a little mark on the adjusters here. That way we know exactly how much we adjusted. And we do it on all 4 of them. So if I turn it 1 turn on this shock, I can turn it 1 turn on the other shock, and so on and so on. So we always have the same amount of preload on all the shocks.
Okay, so there's your helpful tip and the new things to the shocks. And next we are heading on to D1, doing the chassis next. Okay guys, we have finished the whole front end of the car. And we have cleaned the bearings. They're right there. We use this machine right here. And this is different right here.
How's it different?
It's stiff as hell.
And it has these inserts. So you get 1 extra pole of adjustment in between where we had before.
And then the most changed thing so far is the steering.
It's got ball bearings in here now, don't it? It makes it super smooth feeling.
And see you guys when we do the transmission. Alright, we have finished the whole back end and the transmission. Okay, so there is new
mount.
So then you don't strip the screw. And there's new axles.
They're a little bit thinner than the regular car, but they made them steel so they don't break like the 4 and the 3 did. And then they put little aluminum caps over these outdrives, that way they won't break as easy either. And the only other thing we did is we put this shaft in because we're going to run a slipper, and we put this little weight in the back for the C-hinge mount, little brass weight. Other than that, that's all pretty much the way the box says.
Okay, so we will catch up with you guys after we do the electronics. We are done! Da, 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 da. There's something new on the body. These eyes, I'm gonna be scary now. And after we put the stickers on, we're gonna be leaving to go drive this thing. Here's the inside. The new things about this car is we're going to start from the back. We got a slipper on it. Then we got a new mount for the battery, a new battery mount. It's rubber. And then we got a new servo mount. See you guys when we're at the track, but first I gotta go to a soccer game. See you guys at the track.